This is the video review for Transformers Robots in Disguise. Maybe deluxe class, maybe not. I don't know what the size classes were like back then. It's been way too long for me to be able to remember, but this is Hightower. He is a member of the build team, which forms the Gestalt Landfill or Build King. Depends on if you like the American name or the Japanese name better. So this is Hightower, and he is a piece of shit. He is the worst of the build team, and I cannot stand him. In fact, when I form Build King, I don't use this guy. I just use another heavy load, so I've got two heavy loads rather than the heavy load and the Hightower. I'll get to heavy load as probably my next review. So this is Hightower. At first, he seems okay enough. He's a crane vehicle. He rolls quite well. But the problem with this figure, the real problem with this figure, you won't believe how bad this is. This guy is just horrible. So, the way you transform this guy, you pull this off. You pull this off. This turns into a gun. Now, I do like this gun, but what this does, just pisses me off. What you do next is just start opening up the feet. Pull them down, pull the arms down, fold everything out, split this, and you're left with a body without a head. Oh my, what's going to happen here? What you do is you take this, turn it around, and there's a head. So the way this works is you plug this in, and then push the head down there like that. And that just kills any affection I could have for this figure. It's just, I hate parts forming. Now let's see, if you open up this container here, he does have a little tiny pistol. It's very hard to get back in, and once he's actually in robot mode, he's not that bad. He has somewhat limited articulation, but he's not too horrible in robot mode. It's just that transformation that I can't stand. I mean, he's just a basic post-Beast Wars pre-movie articulation. Nothing too special. Nothing that's really well thought out. It's just all kind of there. How do we take this vehicle and make it a human? Bada boom, bada bing, it's done. And I am not impressed. He is the worst of the build team. The only saving grace for him is that he has the best weapons. He has a big-ass rifle and a neat little pistol. Otherwise, he is completely worthless. So to transform him into the leg mode, which is really the only mode where he's decent at all, is fairly simple. Pull this off, pull this off. Basically, you're just taking this thing back to vehicle mode. Well, actually, no, you don't put these back in. And then you rotate these out to form the toes, or a toe, it depends on how you want it. Then you'll pull this out. And then this thing right here is the connector that will connect it all together. So he's a leg like this, and then a body hooks in up here. And that's about it for this guy. He's awful, I can't stand him, and his retool heavy load is much better just because he isn't a parts former, although he has most of the other flaws like bad articulation. So yeah, this is it for Hightower. He's just kind of bad. Thank you for watching.